All right, good morning, Algebra 1. Mr. Mays coming at you. It's Wednesday, 18th of November. I would like to do a summation of Chapter 4, Sections 1, 2, and 3. But I want to start with just the whole reason why we're doing this whole point slope intercept thing. And the ultimate goal is to write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. Now, as I've stated before, it's a three-step process. And the first step is always to find the slope. Well, how do you do that? You use the slope formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, where do you get the y2, the y1, the x2, and the x1? Well, you need 2 points. So, as an example, these are the 2 points that I chose, 3, 6 and negative 5, 4. And if you label your data, and it doesn't matter which one you choose to be x1, y1, x2, y2, I just labeled them. 3 is going to be the x value of my first point, and the 6 is going to be the y value of my first point, hence the x sub 1, y sub 1. And the negative 5 is going to be the x value of my second point, and the 4 is going to be the y value of my second point. So if I plug those values into the equation, you'll notice that the y2, 4 minus 6 over negative 5 minus 3. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Remember to reduce. Negative over negative is positive, and the slope of this line is 1/4. In other words, for every point on the line, if you go up 1 unit and 4 units to the right, you will land on the line again. Step 2, use point slope. Why do I use point slope? Because you have a point. Actually, you have 2 of them. And you have a slope. You just found it. So pick a point. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose 3, 6. I'm going to use the slope. I'm going to use the point slope formula. There it is. That reads y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, where m is your slope. x1 is your x value and y1 is your y value. In our case, it's going to be 3 for x1 and 6 for y1. Plug those in. There you go. Now, technically, that is the equation in point-slope form. However, I want to take it to slope-intercept. That's step 3, and I'm going to accomplish this by adding 6 to both sides, which is where we want to end in slope-intercept form. And don't forget, when you add 6 to both sides, notice I added 24 over 4 because I need that common denominator. So there it is. Y is equal to 1/4 x plus 21/4. There's the equation of a line that goes through my 2 points in slope-intercept form.